Hey everybody, it's that time of year. I just saw one, a dreaded ant. So I've got the perfect solution. It's, if you guys have the same problem when they all start to come out and before you know it, your whole house is crawling with ants. We're not gonna get to that point because as soon as you see one, you wanna do this. And I'm gonna show you how to get rid of them really easily using stuff you probably already have in your kitchen. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so what you're gonna need in order to do this, it's fairly simple. You need a tablespoon of borax, 1/3 of a cup of regular old sugar, a cup of warm water, and some cotton balls, and one of these little lids that you can get off of a juice bottle or a milk jug. You've got them probably in your recycling bin right now. Okay, so all you're gonna do is so easy. You're gonna take sugar and your warm water and you're essentially gonna make a simple syrup from it, okay? And then you're going to add, oh, I should have done this before I got my spoon all wet, but whatever. You're gonna add a tablespoon of borax, and then you're gonna just let it all dissolve. Now what you're gonna do with this is you're gonna soak these cotton balls and you're gonna put them on one of these caps and you're gonna put it near wherever you see those ants coming into your house from. So if it's by a back door or back window or something like that, you wanna put that out. You're probably gonna wanna do a few of these, although I'm a little short on cotton balls and on the little lids right now. So for the purposes of showing you, I'm just gonna, just do one. So basically what you're gonna wanna do, and normally I would have better utensils than this, but you're gonna soak your cotton ball in it, okay? And you're gonna place it on the lid, and you're gonna set these out, maybe 3 or 4, where you see them coming in. So what's gonna happen is the little ants are gonna come up, they're gonna love that sugar syrup, and that's gonna attract them, and they're gonna come here and they're gonna drink it all up, and they're gonna take it back to their nest and share it with their friends. And the borax is gonna kill them all. So you want to resist the temptation of squashing those ants when you see them, because you will see them crawling all around here and it's gonna be a little bit gross. But maximum 24 hours and they should all be gone and you won't see them anymore. And then you can throw these away. Okay, so it's that easy, and when you're all done making the syrup, the solution rather, I would recommend that you find like a jam jar, something like this, from your recycling bin, and just pour the solution in there, and you can store that in there for years. It'll still work. This is actually the first time I've had to make more solution. I think the first time I did this was probably at least 3, maybe even 4 years ago, and it's lasted me all that time. But this way you don't have to keep remaking it every time. Just make sure you want to keep it away from kids and pets and that kind of thing, okay? Okay guys, so as always, you can find this information on my website, which is www.easypeasyliving.com. If you go to the tips, advice, and resources section and scroll down to green cleaning, you will find the recipe for this and other homemade green cleaning recipes there. So I hope you give it a try, and I hope it works for you. It should. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout at Valerie@easypeasyliving.com. Okay, have a great day and keep it easy peasy.